Yep, that's what we're changing out today. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing my safety glasses because anytime you're working with a battery, you want to wear safety glasses. You get a spark, some battery explodes, all that kind of stuff. You don't want that in your face. Anyway, went to go start the vehicle yesterday. Click, click, click. Nothing. Tried a few different things. Done. Put a battery charger on it just for an hour. Went to go start it. Started up fine. Put my voltmeter on it. Checked it out. I had 13.9 volts charging with the engine running. Shut that off, shut the engine off. Went onto the battery and I had like 9.9, 9.7 volts. Done battery, 5 years old. Ouch. So what are we doing today? We're replacing it. I already got the battery holder off and I'm going to undo the posts right now. The negative, obviously, first, then the positive. After that, pull the battery, go get one, bring it back, put it in, start her up. Something to remember, a couple of tips here to remember. Negative always off first, positive always on. So when you do go to remove a battery, take your negative off, then your positive. When you go to put your new battery in, your replacement battery in, positive on, then your negative after that. Prior to that, clean your terminals on your cables and on your battery. Make sure that they're clean. Also, never lay tools like this metal across batteries. Don't put anything on top of batteries. If this makes contact between two posts, wow, you've got an arcing situation. So let's get the camera down. We're going to pop this out real quick. And we'll get going here. Like I said, I already removed the battery hold down. Those were 8mm bolts, nuts I should say. And this one here, I already loosened this one off as well. This is a 10mm nut, 10mm nut. Give it a loosen. There we go. And I'm looking inside here and it's pretty clean. And I'm also looking on the post here, the negative post, and I don't see any corrosion, nothing green, which is a good thing. So I just want to move this out of the way. Not a lot of room to work right there. So we don't have any contact. Again, don't lay any tools on top of batteries at any time, whether you're removing a battery or whether you're working on a vehicle, doing something. No tools on top of batteries. Negative off, positive on. I want you to remember that. There we go. Just about do that. Wiggle it around. There we go. And I'm looking in there. This one's pretty clean as well. I see a little touch of green inside, but I will clean that up prior to putting this back together. So let's get this out of here. That's a heavy battery. Holy smokers. Okay. So you want to clean inside your posts, your terminal, your connector, your battery connector. You can see a little bit of green right just on the inside edge there. The negative one definitely looks a lot better. But I will clean them up prior to putting everything back on. Battery hold down. And I got a dragonfly in here. Not for breakfast. I'll get my vacuum, my shop vac, and I will clean out this area inside here. So there we go. That's part one. Let's get back and here we go. There it is right there. We'll go get another. We'll go get another one. We'll go get our new one. Okay, cleaning up the battery ends. I've got this funky little tool. This is for the post end, and this is for the cable end. Just go right inside there. Basically, all that you can see the little metal ends on here, right there. Basically, when you go in, you're going to twist and turn it to clean them out. I'm on the negative. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to twist and turn it. That's it. Well, what I will do is I will put my camera down and I will hold this with one hand, the cable, and I will use my other hand and do that. Clean it up. You want to get a nice shiny surface inside the end here. And again, you can, if you look further inside there, you can just see where there's a little bit of corrosion. And again, hey, like you can go through either side. Let's just see how this works real quickly. Holding the camera and working at the same time. Gotten rid of some of it. Now what I will do is I will take my wire brush and just clean up the outside of both terminals, both cable ends, and then I'll probably put just a small layer of grease on top of it as well. So anyway, there's that. Let's continue on. Let's go get that battery. There it is. There's my new battery. Hooked onto the local parts store, auto parts store, picked up a battery. Wow, they've gone up in price. And how about this? These batteries come with a 5-year, no prorated warranty, 5-year replacement. I bought it January 31st, 2019. Today is March the 22nd, 2024. Battery warranty expired. A few months after the 60-month warranty on it. I feel that they design these things just that they fail at. Sure. Anyway, cleaned up the, let's get down here, cleaned up the terminals, vacuumed down inside there, got it all cleaned up. We're just going to grab my battery, pop it in, get the camera over here, and we'll get going real quickly like. How's that? Yeah, that looks all right. Again, my funky little tool, battery post terminal cleaner. Oh, this thing is heavy. And hang on a second. Let's get rid of this negative out of the way a little bit. The positive, can't really move too much of it just because it's got a short cable in there. Slowly wiggling it down inside there. There we go. You know, pop off this black end, pop off this red end. Remember, positive on, negative off. Always put your positive on first, always take your negative off first. How's that? Let's see if I can just grab these things. Nope. There, on there. Oop. Nice and clean. Carefully, I know I'm using pliers here, but carefully pop that off. Wait, I need my safety glasses. Safety glasses on. Positive on. Grab my tools here. I'm pushing down and tightening up the nut at the same time. Just using my 10 millimeter, wow, my 10 millimeter socket, my 3/8 extension, and my 3/8 ratchet. Pop the handle down into place. Tighten that up. Now, negative is about to go on, so you might get a little a little spark in case maybe there's a light on, an interior light on, a computer or something. So, give me safety glasses on. Just in case. If you've ever had a battery explode, you'll understand this. And I have. Okay, negative's going on. Give it a little tap down. Watch when you're swinging, not to make contact with any metal in the area, frame or fender or. There we go. All I have to do is put in the battery hold down and we are good to go. There we go. That's it. Battery is installed. Battery's changed out. I'm going to put my hold down in. That's it. I'm going to start up the vehicle. Everything's good. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. That's it. Cheers. Have a great day. We'll get down to the battery here. There it is. 100%.